Welcome to a brand new EvHorse video. Today, we're excited to present the Mercedes-Benz EQE, a stunning new luxury vehicle. A murmur of anticipation fills the air as a sleek silhouette glides into view. It's the Mercedes-Benz EQE, an embodiment of future mobility. This revolutionary model is not just a car but a statement, a commitment to a more sustainable and electrifying future. The EQE is a purebred electric vehicle, designed from the ground up by Mercedes-Benz. A first glance reveals that the EQE is a part of the Mercedes EQ family, with its distinctive design and sleek lines. However, the EQE is more than just a pretty face. Underneath the hood, the EQE harbors an impressive powertrain. Its electric motor delivers an impressive horsepower, providing a smooth, silent drive that is unmistakably electric. Simultaneously, the EQE's battery offers a remarkable range, ensuring you can drive for longer without worrying about recharging. But the EQE is not just about raw power and performance. The vehicle also focuses on comfort and luxury. The interior is a testament to Mercedes' commitment to craftsmanship and luxury. The seats are plush and comfortable, the dashboard is sleek and modern, and the entire cabin is designed to provide a tranquil, enjoyable driving experience. One of the standout features of the EQE is its M-Bux hyperscreen. Spanning nearly the entire width of the car, this massive display offers a wealth of information and controls at your fingertips. From navigation to entertainment, the hyperscreen ensures everything you need is just a touch away. The EQE also comes equipped with a host of safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems, including active lane keeping assist and active brake assist, work seamlessly to ensure your journey is as safe as possible. Furthermore, the EQE also features a sophisticated parking assistance system, making parking in tight spots a breeze. Now what about the driving experience? The EQE offers a smooth and responsive ride, with precise handling that makes it a joy to drive. The electric motor delivers instant torque, allowing for rapid acceleration. And with its impressive range, the EQE is not just a city car but a capable long-distance cruiser. To summarize, the Mercedes-Benz EQE is a remarkable vehicle. It combines the luxury and comfort that Mercedes-Benz is known for, with the performance and efficiency of an electric vehicle. Its impressive range coupled with its powerful electric motor make it a compelling choice for those looking to make the switch to electric. The EQE is not just a car but a symbol of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. With its combination of luxury, performance and sustainability, the EQE truly represents the future of mobility. Keep checking EvHorse for more updates on electric vehicles.